Hello my dear family members, today we will go through an important topic, that is analogy under critical reasoning section for Accenture upcoming exam. So let's start. So the first question is tape recorder, cassette, so computer what? So among the options please choose that and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, let me answer that. The floppy will be the correct answer in this case because cassette was used for tape recording audio and video. Similarly, floppy was to store data in computer, right? Okay, let's go to the next question, that is Muslims, mosque, Buddhist, what? Okay, I hope you have a little knowledge about this, right? Okay, let me answer that. This will be the answer, monastery. Actually, Muslims house of worship is called mosque. Similarly, Buddhist house of worship is called monastery, right? Okay, the next question is this. Please pause the video and give me the answer in the comment section before I answer. Okay, program is to function, then what will be the correctly suited in this case? Okay, let me answer that. Agenda is to marketing will be the, sorry, agenda is to meeting will be the correct answer in this case. Actually, first one in this case contains the details of second one, right? This way we are analyzing the answer, right? The next question is this. Archimedes is to mathematician, then what will be the correct in this case? Okay, let me answer that. Actually, this is wrong, right? Rabindranath Tagore is not a chemist and Marie Curie is not a Nobelist. Actually, Stephen Hawking, physicist, will be the correct answer, right? I hope you have a little knowledge about that. Actually, you should have knowledge about general knowledges in this case also, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is a quiz question for you. So for botany, plants, but for cardiology, what will be correct? Lungs, spinal cord, brain, or heart? Please pause the video and give me the answer, right? I will wait for you. Okay, the next question is China is to Beijing, then what Canada will be suited for? Okay, I hope you have knowledge about general knowledge of China. So China's capital is Beijing. So Canada's capital will be Ottawa, right? Okay, the next question is barometer is to pressure. Then what will be the correct answer among the options? Actually, this is an equipment which is used to measure this, right? So in this case, the temperature is measured by thermometer, right? This will be the correct answer in this case. Okay, the next question is marathon is to race, then hibernation will be correct for what? Winter, sleep, summer, spring. What will be the correct answer in this case? Please give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, the correct answer will be sleep, right? Actually, marathon is for the race. So the hibernation is referred to as sleep, right? Okay, the next question is this. Sodium hydroxide is presented as this. So baking soda will be presented as what? So actually in this analogy section, you have to be knowledgeable about many things. Chemistry, physics, general knowledge, all the thing, right? So in this case, NaHCO3 will be the correct answer for this, right? This is representing baking soda. Okay, the next question is a quiz question. This is the last question of this video, so please pause the video and give me the answer in the comment section, right? I will wait for you. So I hope this session was helpful to you. If you think so, please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Accenture on campus previous year question, right? So thank you for today's session.